we do this every year. What happens is not this year, it's previous years. What it does is there's a lot of Asturians and Centro Asturianos in Argentina, in Tampa, in Miami, in Chile, and what it does is Asturians left when they were kids, and this honors them, and a lot of them come back. Right now today we had 41 people from Tampa, for instance, and a lot of their grandparents were born here, or their parents, and this is for them an honor to see, especially float with the city logo, and it's a kind of brings you a little chicken skin through the body when you see this kind of thing. We have a festivity for 10 days. It's San Mateo, which is the patron saint of Oviedo, and it's a very tourist week. A lot of people come from all over Spain. A lot of people come from overseas, as I mentioned before. We have people here from Tampa, Florida, our sister city. We also have another sister city here, which is Móstoles, which is near Madrid. It's very good. There's a lot of activity going on. There's the parade, and there's a mass on Sunday that's very religious. You can see the shroud of Christ that is shown at the mass, and they pass out the bottled wine, the bread, the chorizo. So it's a very important week for us because it kind of showcases our city, that we have a festivity that runs for 10 days, and people can enjoy themselves. Even the young kids, as we can see behind me. There's games, and also the adults, which basically will start about 11 o'clock at night.